Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. I am Komal Jaisingh. Being passionate into art and craft, I made art and craft my profession. I'm a part of Creative Jack and Art Station. Creative Jack is an academy of art and design wherein we conduct a lot of workshops, classes, birthdays and private events. We are based in an art store, Art Station. Art Station is a complete bliss for all art and stationery lovers. You get beautiful and artsy things. So today's activity is dot mandala. You all must have heard about dot mandala. Dot painting originated from Aboriginal Australia and mandala is a Sanskrit term used to represent the universe. So dot mandala is a blend of both these art forms. I believe dot mandala is a very therapeutic process. Also, according to me, it helps you to develop a lot of patience as well because the process is slow and you need a lot of patience to make the beautiful outcome. So yes, it is also a meditative art form. So we will begin with the dot mandala today. I'm very excited to teach you all the dot mandala. So before we begin with the dot mandala painting, I would like to show you what all things are required. So first is this mini canvas. This is the stretched canvas. We require a paintbrush, dotting tools, the most important for doing dot mandala, pencil and a scale, acrylic paints, a palette, water and some tissues. So this is the stretched canvas. Now we will paint this with black color. Take your acrylic paints and select black color. This is the black color. Dip your paintbrush in water and then start applying the black paint. Always remember to put in one direction, otherwise you will see lines. Once you are done with applying the base with black color, paint the sides also with black paint. So this is how it looks. It gives a very complete effect when you just complete the painting with the entire black color. Let it dry for the next 15 to 20 minutes before we do the dot mandala. So now with the help of a scale and a pencil, mark the middle point. Once you find your middle point, make a plus sign like this. Maybe it's not visible in the camera, but there's a plus sign. After this plus sign is done, make a cross sign now. Like that. Once we are done with this, you can start using your paints. Make sure to use light and bright colors because your canvas is black, it's dark, so light colors will look good, it will reflect. So we will start with yellow. We can use white, orange, red and green. Let's start with white. Just pour it into the palette. So I have removed my 5 selected colors in my palette and I will take the dotting tool. So I have selected white first. Take the big dotting tool and place it in between like that. After you're done with using one dotting tool, make sure you all wipe it with the tissue so that the color doesn't rest on the dotting tool. Just make sure to clean it with the tissue. Now I will use the next size and take white color. Like that. Be very slow, be very calm, be very patient. So once I've placed the 3 dots, I will place the same 3 dots on the opposite side. This is how it looks. Now I will place the same 3 dots on the horizontal side. Once this is done, again clean your dotting tool. I will use the smaller size of the dotting tool now to continue the dots so that it comes from big to small and it look very beautiful. Like that. Same thing on the horizontal side. This is how it looks. Again, I will take the size which I chose for white and I will start doing yellow on the cross lines which I have made. Like that. Now on the opposite side. Now I will take the smaller one and continue the line to finish the yellow. Like that. Now I will do this line of yellow again. So take the big dotting tool and put 3 dots on both the sides. Now the small one, and we will complete the line. The process is itself so much fun and relaxing. I can't really wait for all of you all to do it. So this is how it looks. Now I will take the next color, orange. So now it will be reversed. Now we will start with the thick ones from outside and we will come inside with the thin ones. So I will take the big dotting tool, dip it into orange color and I will start. Like that. On both the sides. Just make sure to make the orange in between yellow and white. Now I will use the small dotting tool and dip it into orange color and complete the line. Now on the opposite side. Dip the big dotting tool into orange and start. Like this. So we will just complete the line with orange color. We are done with using orange color. Next color we are using is red. Again I am taking the big one, dipping it into red. Three dots here and then again 3 dots on the opposite side. Like that, and 3 dots on this as well. Like that. I will just clean my dotting tool and then I will take the small dotting tool and I will finish the red lines. Like this, and one last line. Now take the very tiny dotting tool and we will place green dots in between. So start from anywhere and place small green dots. All green dots will be with the small dotting tool. Like that. Dot mandala can convert anything into pure beauty. You can also do dot mandala on canvases, MDFs, terracotta plates, pebbles and add beauty to anything. So I'm placing the green dots everywhere in between. Look. I'm done with adding green dots in between all lines, and this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed teaching you all. I can't wait to see your creations. And dot mandala is a very therapeutic process. It's going to be a lot of fun. Just remember to be very calm and patient and go slow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do follow us on our Instagram handle CreativeJackIn. Thank you.